Hello everyone. We are Team Syndicate and our application is Galaxius. And now I'm going to present you about our app. According to the given problem, we are going to collect MRI scan image set from the patient and include it into our data collection. Then we are going to shuffle and there we are going to divide it into three groups: training, validation, and testing. And we are going to combine training and validation into data processing. In there, we are going to resize, rescale, and rotation. From there, we are going to develop the model in model development through CNN architecture. And to in testing process, we are going to evaluate the model through model evaluation process. In there, we are going to check the accuracy, loss, and sensitivity. Now, I'm going to show you the code. We have used Python as our programming language, and we have used five uh, major libraries: TensorFlow, NumPy, uh, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Keras. And also, we have read 3,224 files, which belong into four classes. Here you can see some of our images. This is actually a sample from those 3,224 files. And also in here, we are going to split our data set into three uh, groups: 80% to the training model, and 10% for the validation model, and another 10% to the testing model. And also here, you can see the processing layers and also the model building. And here, for compiling purposes, we have used the Adam optimizer. And also in here, we trained our model and it gives 91.5% of accuracy with trained data, and also 95.6% accuracy with validation data. And also here you can see the training versus validation accuracy. And here, training versus validation loss. Yeah, this is all about our code. Next, we'll see the process. To check the tumor type, we have built an web application. In here, users can upload their MRI scan images and get the tumor type as the output. We have used a Streamlit library to do this process. Now we are going to show you some of the examples to check the tumor. Let's see the first one. So this is a category 3 tumor. Let's check another one. This is a category 2 tumor. Another one. And this is a category 1 tumor. So this is the process of our application. So these are our team members. Thank you so much for the opportunity.